Hey guys, it's Tiny Tom Logan back with another one of the Rampage 3 Extreme videos. If you've only just found this video, then please make sure you go to my channel and check for the other videos, because there are a few for the Rampage 3. Now this is a video that I've been looking forward to making the most, actually. Now a lot of you modders out there are probably going to understand what I'm on about. I just like things to play with, do you know what I mean? A new toy is brilliant. Now the Rampage 3 is the first board that I've actually had here to test with the Asus Republic of Gamers Connect feature. Now the Connect feature with the RE3, you can either use a USB cable. There's all normally USB slots horizontal, but there's one on the back of the Rampage Extreme which is vertical, which is reserved for the Connect feature. But you can also use a separate Bluetooth add-in dongle. Now sadly my laptop doesn't support Bluetooth, and I couldn't get a Bluetooth dongle in time to play with it wirelessly. But I know there are some mobile applications. Now also again, that got me quite excited because I straight and instantly thought, yeah, brilliant, I'm going to be able to play with my computer via my iPhone. Now at the time of the video, I can confirm now, because I've managed to squeeze it out of Asus, that there is an iPhone app that they're working on at this current moment in time. So hopefully, in the not too distant future, the ROG Connect will support iPhones as well, which, to be quite honest with you, is amazing. What I am going to do now is I'm going to bring you in and I'm going to talk you through the Connect feature, because I think it's brilliant. Now it's not groundbreaking, but there's quite a lot of little tiny features on it that I think are really, really clever, and I think a lot of you out there are going to agree with me. So without further ado, I'm going to bring the camera in and get set up, and I'll talk you through it. Right, okay guys, here's my test rig. You can see the good old Noctua there. Got 6 GB of Corsair 2000 MHz and 5870. Now where we're dealing with the ROG Connect at the moment, I'll concentrate on that. Now what you have to do with the ROG Connect is install the software on your laptop. Once you've got the software installed, you can see it there, it's sat there waiting. I've got the cable in, and I'm going to try and get you around the back. This is a bit difficult. Basically you can see the USB in the vertical slot there. Now, the reason why I turned the power supply on before is once you've got those two lights on so that you've got power to the board, you can, I'll try and get around here so you can see. Right, that's it. The ROG Connect is on when you have that button on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the laptop. Right, you can see the laptop there. Now, that's it on, it should come up with it connected. There you go, it's instantly gone in. Right, now I'm going to put you on the tripod now and talk you through the rest of it. Right guys, now I've got CPU set up in the bottom corner here of the computer. And we've got the main screen and then the memory screen. Over here you can see the base clock and everything that I explained before. But what you want to be watching is the core speed and the base clock speed, or the bus speed as it says there, and the core voltage. Because basically what I'm going to do, so I'm not going to overclock it by a lot, but I'm just going to do it to show you how easy it is to do. I'm going to increase the bus speed up to 1.25 volts. Sorry, the CPU voltage, that's 1.25. And I'm going to increase the bus speed up to 150. And then literally all you have to do is hit apply. Now when I hit apply, watch the numbers there. And then I'll go apply. And there you go, instantly it's changed. Voltage has gone up. The bus speed's up to 150, So now my core speed's up to 3.9 gigahertz. And 150 bus. Now it's up to 3.9 because I've got a 26 multiplier. So literally it's that easy to overclock your computer. Now put it back to normal, knock it back down to 133, put the core speed back where it should be, 1.15, hit apply. Just wait for CPU Z to catch up. There you go. Core speed's dropped back down. Now the bus speed's dropped right back down as well. Now the other thing I wanted to show you was RC diagram. Now basically what RC diagram does is you can monitor the voltages in your system. So you can see it ticking along there. Now if you were overclocking and bench testing, you'd be able to watch this for spikes in your system to work out if you were going to have any problems or issues. That'll just keep going and going and going and going. But if I was to go over onto the other computer for argument's sake and then hit prime 95, there you can see the current on the draw on the CPU has gone up. Obviously the voltages are staying relatively level, so that's great for the power supply. And then if I was to stop it, there you go, you can see it dive straight back down again, so you can see the power draw on the CPU has pulled a lot less. Now I think personally to be able to overclock my system and completely remote control it like this, especially where there's an iPhone app coming, it's absolutely amazing. Now just to show you how easy it is to turn it off, I can hit shut down. It asks me if I want to shut it down. I say yes, and then you can see the computer's there turning off. Now I know there's going to be some of you out there that are going to say that this is a completely useless feature. I expect you're going to have owned or do own a different branded motherboard as well. But for those of you out there that like your gadgets and do like to fiddle with your computers and are open to new ideas, especially those of you out there that possibly are into your extreme overclocking and understand that being able to tweak stuff within Windows that easily is a brilliant tool, and especially for us people that just like to have a little play as well. For me, I personally can't wait for the iPhone app, but being able to hook my laptop up, and do you know what I mean, it's not restricted to an Asus laptop. You can install the software on any machine and just instantly be able to plough in and start playing with the settings of your computer. Now just think that you could get your BIOS roughly right, and then you can fine tune the settings from within Windows. You might find something that, you might think, oh, that looks a bit iffy, it needs a little bit more volts. As long as the system doesn't crash, that you're going to be able to tweak it straight away. But at the same time, if the system does crash, you'll be able to hit the reset button, and you're not going to have to bother about hitting delete and going into BIOS. You're going to be able to do it all from your remote machine. And technically, with the RC Bluetooth dongle as well, you could even be sat in the other room or on the other side of the room and overclock your machine that way. So it opens up an amazing amount of options. This is something that I really, really like myself, and it's something that I've spent a heck of a lot of time since I've had this board playing with. So a big thumbs up to Asus. I love this feature, and I think any of you guys out there that get this board or one of the other boards that have it as well, the Maximus Extreme 3 is another one, I could give it a go, have a play with it, it's brilliant. But this is the end of this video. Make sure that you click to my channel or look for the other videos, because there are a few. But for now at least, it's Tiny Tom Logan with the ROG Connect video out.